Airsoft! It's 1-on-1. Me versus you.
Where did Brian go?
He's back here. Hit. That wasn't a hit?
No.
It was?
No.
No? Don't lie, oh my god. Okay, fine. I can see his body right now. Shit! Hit! Yeah, bro, he got my helmet. Bro, I swear I fucking shot his left arm. I shot your left arm. Okay. Oh, well, I got you, bro.
Brian!
It's us, me and him versus y'all two. Wait, what's his name? Oh my god, it's 3 Brian. Oh my god. Hey, we should make a team called Team Brian. Wait, no, you and me. It's a simple, it's a really easy simple. Just after you shot, cock it back. Hey, y'all didn't fill it up though. Give him some bullets to fill it up, he ain't got shit. Oh, he got some, never mind. Yeah, he got some. What? These look badass. Oh yeah. I'll get you some of those, bro. Give me fucking. Give me $10, I'll get you some. Hey, well, I'm gonna cover you, alright? I'm gonna start playing, I'm gonna cover you. We're gonna try and find them again. It's like, they haven't had any already. Alright, 3, 2, 1, Airsoft!